Finding the Safari download location on your iPhone 16 helps you easily locate and manage all your downloaded files in one organized place. Here's how to check and modify your Safari download storage on the new iPhone 16. To begin, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From your home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Apps. Locate Safari from the list of apps, and then tap on it to get to access and manage the app's settings menu. To continue, scroll to Find, and then tap on Downloads. Here you'll see your current download location. By default, it's set to On My iPhone in the Downloads folder. To change the current location, tap Other, then navigate to your preferred folder. Finally, tap Open to set the new location. To access your downloaded files in Safari, open the Files app, then tap On My iPhone. Find Downloads from the list of folders, then tap to open it. Your Safari downloads will be stored in this location. To test and see the recent changes, try downloading files in Safari by tapping on the download link and then select the option Save to Files. Choose your designated download folder, then tap Save. The recently downloaded file will then be stored to your designated folder or storage location. You can view your recent downloads through the iOS Files app. Simply launch the app, then locate the Downloads folder. Should you wish to change the storage path, just repeat the same steps to head back to the Safari settings menu and apply necessary changes. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.